Hello students, today we'll discuss about the software. Okay, so before discussing the software, first I want to tell you something. Major components are computer hardware and computer software. So now we'll discuss about the software. So let us discuss what is software first. It is a very important thing to know what is software. It represents a set of programs or instructions. Already we have discussed in my first video. It is a set of programs that governs the operation of computer system and make the hardware run. It is known as software. So now we'll discuss about the classification of the software in this part. So in this classification of the software, the first one is system software. So let us know what is system software. The software which controls the internal computer operations is called the system software. It controls each and every part of computer system, which is known as system software. And this system software, again, it is divided into two major parts. One is operating system and another one we'll discuss later. First we'll discuss what is operating system. It is a program which acts as an interface between user and computer, or we can say hardware. Major components, all the hardware components are controlled by operating system. It is a major, means it plays a major role in computer. Another part is there of system software, that is language processor. A language processor, it is a special type of computer software. Only its work is to translate the source code into the object code or machine code. But this language processor having already three different types. One is assembler. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. In language processor, I told two terms. One is source code and one is object code. Let us discuss it first. When we are writing the program in different language, it is known as source code. Our language means that is known as high level language. It is known as source code. And when the computer understands its language, that language is known as machine level language, or we can say it is the object code. So next we'll discuss the different types of different parts of the language processor, different categories we can say. First one is the assembler. In assembler, the language processor converts the program written in assembly language to its machine level language. Especially language is there, assembly language, where we can write only the code. Just for writing adding something, we are writing add, for multiplying we are writing mul. So this is a special language was there, we are not using now. So but the converter, the translator, which one we are using, that is called the assembler. It converts assembly language to machine level language. Next one is interpreter. It is a converter or translator we can say. So it translates and executes the instructions written in means high level language to machine level language, but the program will execute line by line. It find out means errors will be there. It will find out the errors, or it will execute line by line. Next one is the compiler. The same as the function is same as interpreter, but it instead of line by line, it execute at once. Execute at once, so it is more faster than interpreter. Next we'll discuss about another type of the software. One system software already we have discussed. Now we'll discuss the next part, which is known as the application software. So application software, that means is the set of program. It is used programs necessary to carry out the operations for a specific applications. System software only designed for the system, application software designed for the different applications. So what are the different applications, the different categories we will discuss. Which one is known as the package? Is known as, first one is the package. What is package? And applications, and applications may be numerous, from thousands or millions of them, but is not, it is designed the software to each one of them, and we are using a most common thing, one most common purpose we are using, which is known as the package. Most common form means what? Suppose we are using a typing software, means it is a package which is we can say one example we can take, that is word processing software. Suppose for graphics designing purpose we are using, we can take the Photoshop. For table formations we want, that is spreadsheet we can say. For DTP work, for desktop publishing software we can take. So these are one package which can be used for our different purpose. It is a group of work can be done here. Okay, so next one is utilities. What is utilities? These are those applications programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping functions like backing up disk, okay, scanning, cleaning viruses, arranging information, etc. These are the utilities. Many utilities are there. We are also using, just like text editor, backup utilities which is used to store something, that is used for the backup purpose. Next is compression utility. We can compress the file, we can expand the file. Disk defragmenter, antivirus software, many of we are using antivirus software. These are the utilities programs we are using for computers. Okay, so next one is we are using customized software. What is customized software? We are designing for a specific purpose. Software, SOFTWARE, it should be RE. Okay, so it is used for the design, means customized, means customer or user can customize for his or her work only. Especially we can give order to the software developer to prepare or to get a software. Suppose I am having a company, I want to use a particular software for my company. That means it is known as a customized software. Okay, so suppose I am having a hotel, I want to design, I need a particular software for the management purpose, for the hotel purpose, for my hotel. So for that one I want to use a hotel management software. For library, I want to take one library software. So it is known as the customized software, and it can be developed for a for an institute, for an organizations, for a particular customer. We can give order and we can customize our software, means according to our need only we can put the facilities or functions there. Okay, so next we'll discuss. So it is over, it is about the software. So we have to you have to remember these things. What are the different types of software, again what are the different parts of system software, what are the different parts of application software. So you remember the details I have explained in this part. So another part one is there, software library. So we'll discuss the what is software library. Actually software library, that when programmer develops software and programs, they have a pre-written set of code or functions, classes, script, etc. available to do variety of tasks, so which they can use directly their code. So this predefined set of code, okay, are called software libraries, means already predefined codes are there. So from there only we can just take the help and we can use in our work. Okay, so for more details just refer the book, and also the key terms are given from the book, you must read it. Any doubt you can also send me the message. Another thing is that don't forget to write the back questions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.